In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wix SEO features 2026 step-by-step guide. We'll start right inside your Wix dashboard. Log in, choose the site you want to optimize, and head to the left-hand sidebar. Open Marketing and SEO, then click SEO Setup Checklist. This is your central hub. It keeps everything organized so you don't miss a core ranking factor. Next, launch the SEO wizard by selecting Start Now. You'll be asked to identify your business with a name and location. This powers local SEO so you can show up in Google Maps and nearby searches. Then you'll choose 3 to 5 highly specific keyword phrases. Think like your audience. Use long tail phrases that match intent and, when relevant, include your location. Avoid generic terms. Precise keywords make it easier for search engines to understand exactly who you're for. Your personalized checklist will guide you through key tasks. First, connect a custom domain like a .com or .net. A branded domain boosts credibility and is foundational for SEO. Then optimize your homepage. Update the title tag and meta description so they're clear, compelling, and include your primary keywords. In 2026, Wix's AI assistant can suggest options based on your content. Use it to get click-worthy copy, then tweak for your voice. Also add descriptive alt text to every image. Write it as if you're explaining the image to someone who can't see it. This helps search engines and improves accessibility. Now verify your site with Google Search Console from within the checklist by selecting Connect to Google. Wix's partnership with Google enables instant indexing, which accelerates your visibility. Follow the prompts to grant permissions. Once connected, Wix automatically submits your sitemap, telling Google which pages to crawl and in what structure. Take advantage of advanced 2026 features by enabling structured data. Go to SEO settings and open structured data. Make sure your site is labeled correctly, such as person, organization, or video gallery. This helps AI-driven search, including Google's AI overviews and GPT-style engines, understand your content and can unlock rich results like star ratings or video previews. Do a mobile and performance check. Use the mobile editor to confirm every page is responsive and easy to navigate. Google uses mobile first indexing, so your mobile experience is what gets evaluated. In the dashboard, review site speed and trim anything that slows pages down, like oversized images or unnecessary effects. Finally, publish your changes. Give it about 48 hours, then check your indexing